I recently ordered this Quicko T12 soldering iron off AliExpress. Just arrived today. Only 5 weeks from China. So I'm going to take it out of the box and we'll have a quick look at it. And we'll see if it's any use. It's well wrapped up anyway. So what does €19 get you? It gets you the little unit itself. Look at the size of that. It's tiny, absolutely tiny. So that's a little base station. And that's the handle. There's a nice silicone lid on it, nice and flexible. And there's the tip, the little holder for the tip. So I'll put it together. And this is the 12 volt or the sorry, I should say it's the 24 volt version. It's not the mains version, so you can run it off battery. So I'm just going to use my little power supply here. So I'll put it all together and we see what it's like. Okay, so I have it rigged up here now. It's all assembled. I have to say the lid is for the iron itself is lovely, real flexible silicone. Some of them, some of these other kits I've got, it's real cheap PVC and it's very hard to manipulate it. So it's nice that it's nice and soft. I just can't get over the size of the actual station itself. It's so small. Probably going to be a bit awkward around the bench. You know, they give you these little rubber feet to stick on. But I'm going to have to screw it to a bit of timber or something. Anyway, I'll switch her on and see what it does. We'll switch on the back. There she goes. Look at that. Okay, let's see if we can melt some solder. I can certainly smell it anyway. It's definitely getting hot. Really does heat up quick. And you can get a whole range of tips for these. They're only about €2 each. So I'm going to get a few different tips. But it looks really well worth the money, alright. What else would you get for €19? Okay, good luck for now.